Okay, first day of spring, March 19th. It's been raining. We've got storms coming in today. Here at Spring Creek, you can see it's flowing through the bridge. That's pretty good. Creek's flowing across. Whoa. Here, this is the end of the drive. This is the road. You can see it's gushing over pretty well. It's gone down a little bit. But we've just had a slight break in the rain. So if it starts raining anymore, then yeah, this is going to be even worse. But this is the end of the drive. Got the water going through. There's the bridge. You can see across the way, the fields are kind of starting to fill up. And we'll just walk this way. You can see the water standing over there in the back. What worries me though, we've got the horses over there and they're on low ground. That could be a problem. Too late to move them right now. Hopefully it doesn't get too bad. If so, they could always head up closer to the road. But the creek here, it's just about, oh, there goes a big log floating down. Just about even with the bank. So any more rain down below, but of course I'm high on the hill. So we'll check in later.